We are in the trading industry for the last 25 years and in the manufacturing industry for the last 12 years. We are the second generation running the business. We manufacture exercise books, envelopes and printed stationery under Polar and Lynx brand names. Before SAP, we were having stock mismatch, costing was not correct, transactions were not being posted in the correct ledgers.
Find SAP to be more reliable. We can do lots of things right now in the system without any hitches, and a lot of things that we used to do manually, like keeping the stock and keeping track of it, we can now do it more conveniently with SAP.
So after implementing SAP, we are happy with the software. All the information is being provided at the click of a button. Our stocks are matching, cost is matching, all transactions are being done correctly.
ACEteK software has done a splendid job. They did enough gathering information before going live. They made sure whatever we had asked for has been contained in the software, and they did perfect training. They showed us everything detail by detail. Their support team was always on time.
ACEteK Software Limited, we recommend them for other manufacturers or trading companies which are looking at implementing SAP. Whenever we have had any issues, they've always providing assistance without any delays, and we are quite happy with them.